Hi, hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are located in Pilar de la Horadada, and I'm standing here at the moment on a big 45 square meter terrace on a complex with 3 floors, and we are close to the center of Pilar, like 5 minutes walking and 5 minutes by car to the nice beach, Mil Palmeiras. And now I'm gonna tell you or show you more of this apartment complex. Come with me. First, what I want to tell you, actually, it's very important to know there is an installation, so you can have an outside kitchen here. As well, you can put in this corner like a jacuzzi or a swimming pool or shower, whatever you want. It's an extra option. So come inside. Now we're entering inside the property with nice sliding doors and electric blinds. And as you see, they have like nice furniture that's not included, but they work with a company together. And if you order with them the furniture, you get 10% discount. So nice open space, nice open kitchen. The kitchen is included, fully equipped with everything what you see will be here. And then we walk into this side of the property. So on here, on this side, we have a nice bathroom. And as well, everything what you see here is included the price. And on this side we have a small bedroom, maybe for children or like one person that can sleep here. In this whole apartment we have central heating, climate control and air conditioning, and another small bedroom, or you can see they use it a little bit as an office, just to show you what is the space. So now we're walking to the other side of the property. So now we're entering in the master bedroom, and this master bedroom has a quite big bed, so it's possible to have like a bed from 2 by 180 centimeters. And here on this side you will have your own private bathroom, and everything what you will see here is the same. It is included in the price. So this apartment, ground floor, has 96 square meters and 45 square meters of the terrace. And the price of this apartment will be 290,000 euro. So I want to show you here the entrance. Here we have the entrance. It's very nice to see that it's for invalid people possible to come here. As well, they have the electric here, and here they have the water. There's an elevator, and they have an extra pump. So whenever a lot of people use water for showering, making food, or the jacuzzi or whatever, they make sure that the pressure will stay good. It's an automatic one. And now I'm going to show you the other apartment. It's upstairs, the penthouse, and so let's go. So now we're entering the penthouse, and this penthouse has 82 square meters and 18 square meters of balcony. On this side we have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. It's not done yet, but it will be soon. I just want to show you guys what we have here. And on this side there will become a kitchen. And we have a nice south-facing balcony. It's a private balcony. You will have sea views from here. You can see a little bit the mountains, and you will see as well there's not really high buildings in front of you. So it's really nice. And this price of this penthouse apartment is 199,000 euro. So it's pretty good with the south facing on rotation. If you want to have more information about this complex, about the availability in this complex, contact us. You can mail us, WhatsApp us, call us, whatever you like, and we will take contact with you, and maybe we're gonna visit together soon. See you, bye!